This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Open the tailgate, then carefully prise out the plastic covers. Pull the rubber weather strip from the tailgate aperture adjacent to the light unit and undo the retaining bolts. Pull the light unit rearwards, depress the clip and disconnect the wiring plug. Unclip the socket from the bracket, then rotate the relevant bulb holder anti-clockwise and withdraw it from the light unit. Pull the capless wedge-type bulb from the holder. Press the new bulb firmly into the holder, then insert it into the light unit and rotate it clockwise slightly. Slide the wiring socket back onto the bracket. Note how the pin on the rear wing engages with the light unit. Reconnect the wiring plug, then slide the light unit into position. Insert and tighten the retaining bolts, then refit the plastic covers. Press the rubber weather strip back into place.